Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by PoliceActivity, and the title of the video is Suspect Hit by Passing Car While Fleeing Colorado State Patrol Traffic Stop. That's a long title, man. I think, PoliceActivity, y'all gotta come up with a better title than that. I think y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all could do better than that. But yeah, so let's get into it, man.
Okay. I'm trying to get back up to Blackhawk, but it's all messed up. I don't know. Okay. What's all messed up? The roads are all under construction and whatnot, you know? Okay. Yeah. How'd you get on this side of the road? Oh, well, I actually just flipped around right here. I'm pretty sure you saw me. Yeah. I'm just saying, when did you get on this? I literally just flipped around right here. You flipped around? Yeah, like, I thought I could just come back this way, but apparently not, you know what I mean? Yeah, definitely not. Yeah, I didn't know that. Okay, you got your driver's license on you? Yeah, I can. Never one of those things. Actually, I'm sorry, I had a wrong way driver. It's going to be the I-70 westbound exit to C-470 eastbound. I'll get you a plate here in just a second. Yeah. How did I go? Someone's available, but I think we're okay right now. You got your driver's license? Yeah. Let's see. Can you give my name? Yeah. Because I don't have my license actually on me. You have an ID on you? I don't have an ID on me. Okay. Just gonna turn around real quick, though. What's that? Should I turn around real quick? No, just hang tight. I just got a road right here, don't you think? Yep, I got this lane here. Just stay here. Hold on. Wait up. Don't get back in the car. Don't get back in the car. Hey, get up. Don't get back in the car. Wait up, bro. Don't get back in the car. No, you're not flipping it around. Step out of the car. You're not flipping it around. Get out of the car. Hang on, man. Yeah, semi-cover. Flip it down, man. No, don't get back in the car. Come over here.
Yeah, this is about to turn. This is about to go left, man. Guys, he's probably drunk or something.
Come over here. Where do you want me to go? Sorry. I want you to go right here. Yeah. I think I'll stay with these cars coming this way, yeah? Have a seat on that for me. Have a seat on that for me. Can I get a cigarette, please? You can have a cigarette. Have a seat on that. All right. Okay. You got anything in your pockets? No. Okay, let me check. Don't dig in your pockets for me. Don't dig in your pockets, man. Come on, man. Stop. That's all I have. Here you go. Put your hands behind your back. I don't have a cell phone. Put your hands behind your back for me. Dude, I don't have a cell phone. I don't care. Put your hands behind your back. I'm just detaining you right now. I'm detaining you right now. Don't fight with me. Don't fight with me. Can I get a cigarette, please, sir? No. No, I need a cigarette. You're not listening, bro. Dude, I need a cigarette. Stop. Don't fight me. Dude, I need a cigarette. Don't fight me. Don't bring this on, dude. Don't fight me, dude. Please don't stop. Stop. Dude, stop. No. Stop. Stop. Stop, dude.
Man, that officer pretty nice, man. I would have dumped him already. He would have, bow. It would have been lit. It would have already been lit, man. I'm not playing with you, dog. I'm not playing these games with you. You putting your hands in your pockets. I'm telling you not to put your hands in your pockets. You keep going into, you trying to go inside the car and want to whip it around or whatever. You acting real fidgety, man. I would have dumped you on your head, man. Called it a day, man. Call backup. You know what I mean?
Stop. Stop. Stop, dude. I need a cigarette, bro. No, dude, stop. I need a cigarette. Calm down. No. Calm down, dude. No. Dude, we're past that.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shoutouts, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
We're past that. We're past that. Just I'm not putting you in arrest. I'm just detaining you right now. Stop. I need to see it bad, dude. No. Stop. Listen, we're gonna give him a vaporizer, bro. Stop. No. Stop. No. Please. Stop. All right, what do you want me to do?
Stop reaching in your fucking pockets. That's what I want you to stop doing.
My fucking cell phone, dude. Here.
Okay.
That's what I have.
Okay, so don't reach in your pockets. Quit. Stop.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to stop. I want to put you in handcuffs.
I don't want to be in handcuffs, bro.
I don't care.
Dude, I'm not going in handcuffs right now.
I can't trust you right now, man.
Come on, bro.
Stop. What are you doing in your car? Stop. You're gonna get tased.
Dude, stop.
You're gonna get tased.
Dude, stop. I'm trying a cigarette, bro.
Want to tase a point? Get out of the car. 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 Quit digging in your pocket.
Honestly, I cannot believe this is going on right now. Like, this is unreal, bro. This cop, is he pussy, son? Like, what's going on with this cop? Like, this is, yo, dump his ass, tase, do something. What the hell? This cop has no control over the situation, and he has to gain control fast.
Pockets, dude. Stop. You're gonna get tased.
Stop, dude.
Stop. 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 Taser, taser. Taser deployed. Get out of the car. 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 Now you're gonna get tased again.
Stop.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car!
He just took off. He's rammed the sign. It's a red Volvo. He just went down the ramp. He's running across I-70 right now. He just got hit. Shit. He just got hit. Send medics now. 70 eastbound at the 260.
Oh, nah. What? Did you hear that? Whoa, that's crazy.
It's a red Volvo. He just went down the ramp. He's running across I-70 right now. He just got hit. Shit. He just got hit. Send medics now. 70 eastbound at the 260. He just got hit. He just got hit. He's down there. Stay over there! Stay over there! Stay over there! Get out of the road! Get out of the road! Get out of the road! Go! Denver 1 out 15, we need 70 eastbound shut down at the 259.
Did y'all hear that sound? Dude got crunched like a pretzel, bruh. Crunched. Damn. Yeah, man. Moving too fast, man. Sam? Shit. We gonna catch you in the afterlife, my boy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.